and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is just going to be a quick mini makeup haul. I don't normally do these, but someone actually asked me to start doing them here on my channel, so I figured I would do one. This is just a few products that I got before everyone was quarantined, and I was cleaning my room and came across the bag of it and figured I would come on here and show you guys. And if you guys would like more mini hauls like this, whether it's makeup or clothing or anything else like that, definitely let me know because I can definitely do more of them. And I will try to have as many of the products linked down below so that if you guys are interested in purchasing them, you can. So without further ado, let's get started. The first two products I have are from Becca. The first one is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and since I'm super pale, the shade that I use is Alabaster. I will go ahead and swatch it right here and show you guys. And the other product I have from Becca is the Glow on the Go kit, and this comes with the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone, and it also comes with the highlighter in the shade Moonstone. Next, I have two different mascaras. The first one is from YSL, and it is the Shock Mascara, and I got the color Underground Blue. The original YSL Faux Cils Mascara is one of my holy grail mascaras, and so when I saw this one, I knew I had to try it, and I figured that I would go out on a limb and go with something that has a color. Also, I think this will be great for the 4th of July, and I also got the Laura Geller Lash Boss Max Extra Bold Mascara in the color Max Black. When I saw the wand for this, I thought it was so neat. This gives your lashes so much volume, as the name suggests, and the box actually shows you how to use the wand a certain way. I also got a lip product. This is just one of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams in the shade Milan, and I really liked the color of this one because it's not a hot pink, but then again, it's not a nudie pink. And now I have 4 different makeup brushes and tools. This is the limited edition Brush Crush 303 contour brush. The second brush I got is the Real Techniques Mini Liquid Glow 414 brush. And then these next two makeup sponges are both from Walmart. The first one is another Real Techniques one, and it is the Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge. I saw this and thought it was so neat that they now have a beauty sponge that can be used with powdered products. And lastly, I got the Eco Tools Fresh Perfecting Blender, and I specifically got it so that I can use it this summer with my BB creams. So those are just the makeup products that I've gotten. If you guys would like to see an entire tutorial using any of these products, definitely let me know in the comments because I can definitely do that. If you guys like this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you would become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you receive a notification every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!